Hey guys, what's going on? It's Olive here, and today I got a new video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how to unsubscribe from all your YouTube channels relatively quickly. As you can see here, I got a decent amount of subscriptions, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of all of them. So first off, you're going to want to download iMacros for Chrome. There'll be a link for this website down in the description. Simply just click Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. And then after that, it'll download real quick, and then it'll open up this website, but you don't really need it, so you could just exit out. And then you're going to want to make sure that up here in this little toolbox area, there's this icon called iMacros for Chrome. And then once you're here, just open it, and then this will pop up. Just go to record macro, and then stop it. And simply what that does is just make a macro. And now you could just go into here and edit it. So what you're going to want to do is delete everything that's in here, and then there'll be a link for this paste bin down in the description. Just copy everything in this paste bin, go back to the macro, and then just simply paste it in, save and close. And now you're going to want to go to your subscriptions. So just go over to subscriptions, manage, and then open up this macro again. Go over to play, make sure this is selected, and then you're going to want to change the max to around 100. It could vary from for however many subscriptions you have. If you have a lot, you're going to want to increase this. But now just click play loop, and then it'll take a second. But as you can see, it's unsubscribing from all of my YouTube channels. And yeah, just like that, that's all we have to do. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.